Sometimes I just look up at God and say, thank you, Lord. Life isn't easy, but I'm blessed. Morning light, I rise again. Through every struggle, through every pain. I may not have everything I want, but I have more than I deserve. Gratitude doesn't ignore life's hardships. It sees God's faithfulness through the darkness. Even when the road gets rough, your grace reminds me I have enough. I've walked through fire, I've walked through rain, but you never left me in my pain. Every breath